What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, y'all. So this video is going to be on how to control your dandruff control with locks. I'm about to show y'all something. Look at that. You see that? That's a lot of dandruff. And that's just me by scratching, you know what I'm saying? Just the sides. I ain't even get to the middle part yet. But if y'all can see the screen, oh my god. So one way you want to do to control your dandruff, you need to oil your scalp. Like, and it's hard too when you have certain hairstyles. Like, I recently just had my barrel twist, so you know, of course, my scalp is still like somewhat dry. Well, looking at it, it don't look like it, but I promise you, it is. Like, and up here, it's kind of like built up product from like the edge control. Same right here as well too. But yeah, you wanna oil your scalp. I need to get some more oil, but I was showing y'all that video just to show you like certain styles when you keep it in for a while, products get built up and then it'll start to just make your your scalp real itchy, and not only that, it starts to just have built up dandruff. Now, some people do like to say, well, when you have locks, growing dandruff is something good to have. Me personally, I just feel like, you know, as long as your hair is continuing to grow, you'll kind of see the phases as far as for that. Me personally, I know what locks dandruff does come along. It's not a bad thing. It's not something where you're just like, oh my god, ew. Like, dandruff comes along even when you have regular hair. Like when I would keep my sew-ins before my locks, I used to keep my sew-ins for about like 2 months. You have dandruff, so you know what I'm saying. It's just something you just gotta maintain. But you just find whatever oil works best for you. I like to use do grow oil, but other than that, though, you'll see what works best for you. Some oils that's recommended is the rosemary water. Some people like to use that rose water. When I plan on, you know, going back to Florida and everything like that, I definitely want to get some aloe vera oil or just aloe vera itself and try it on actually on my scalp. I plan on doing a lot more healthier regimen with my locks, but as of right now, I have to use what I can maintain. But yeah, for the most part, yeah. When you have dandruff, don't think it's a bad thing when it comes to your locks. Some people, when they have dandruff, they like to think, "Oh my God, you know, I can't deal with this," you know. But it's all a process of being locked. You know what I'm saying? So that's just something that you like to you want to notice. But I took out my barrel twist. I'm gonna go ahead and probably put another style in real quick. But for the most part, yeah, I just noticed how much was built up, and I needed to scratch because my head was on fire. But other than that, y'all comment below. Let me know what other videos y'all want me to do. Have a good one.